How to turn Google Forms into a spreadsheet. First, just open up your browser and go on to google.com and click on the menu icon at the top right. And we are going to look for the Forms option and click on that. Make sure you are logged into your Google account as well with that specific form. Open up your form that you want to turn into spreadsheet. And from here, go to the Responses tab at the top. And in line with the heading, you should be able to see this Link to Sheets option. So click on that. And you can either create a new spreadsheet or select existing spreadsheet. So I'm just going to create a new one and name it like that. Or you can also change it and click on Create at the bottom right of that window. It will then automatically redirect you to a new spreadsheet, which will show all the responses to each question, and it will sort it by column like this, and the responses are all organized like this with a timestamp at the left and all the responses right here. And you can also adjust the size of the column so that you can read the responses better if it would require it. Also, if you want to access this later on, you can open up Spreadsheets and make sure that you are logged into the same account that you used this Google form with. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.